So today we're going to talk about Notebook LM. What is Notebook LM? Notebook LM is a Google AI tool that turns your notes, PDFs, your documents into summaries, mind maps, audio overviews, and now there is a new update that was just added to it for video overviews, which is crazy. This is an AI that helps you to study and understand documents or videos or anything. If you are a visual learner, it actually explains things or breaks things down using mind maps, and also it can summarize anything. It can do so many different powerful things. What you do here when you come to notebooklm.google.com, this is where you should come. Then you're going to see this. It actually has a simple landing page here where you can actually see the featured notebooks here. These are coming from Google. Then you are going to see the recent notebooks that you've created and worked on. So I was just trying this out and I was seeing all these. These are the things that I generated. Now what you do here, you can either click on create new project or you can just create a new notebook here. When you click there, it's going to open this window where you have to select what you want to give it for it to work with, or to explain, or to break down, or to turn into mind map. The things you can give it are Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Slides, and website links or YouTube videos, or you can just paste text. These are any of the things that you can give it for it to break down. Or you can just click here and upload the file that you want it to understand. You can actually upload many files, and then you can allow it to create a podcast for you, or to turn those documents into mind maps, things like that. So I'm just going to give it an ebook for graphics designing. Just click on open. Here you're going to see it opens three windows. There is the sources. This is where you see all the sources that you've given it, like the documents, the resources. So it can be PDF, YouTube videos, anything about a topic or topics. Then it's going to analyze these documents and generate a summary here for you, which you can add notes to, and you can convert these documents into an audio overview. And here you can see the summary. You can copy this and use it whatever you want. You can also chat with it and talk to it. What do you want to do? This side, you're going to also get even more things. You can add notes, just like I said. You can also generate deep dive conversations. You can click on audio overview. Here it's going to generate an audio overview of this entire PDF. So when I click there, it's going to generate this, and I can also generate mind maps uh, of this entire document. So when I click there, also down here, you can see it's generating a new mind map. When I click on it, you can see this PDF is about graphics designing introduction. When I zoom out, you can see the things that I talked about. You have the outline, which actually talks about so many different things here, and there are also like breakdowns that you can click on to see. So if you are a visual learner, this helps you to understand complex topics, and this is very helpful for students or anyone who just wants to learn about a certain topic. So you can see the what is graphic designing here, the definition, have the definition of what art of creating visual, all these here. It takes a book or a PDF or a document that you give it, and it can turn it into notes, documents, mind maps, or even conversations. You can have many resources here, and these can actually take these resources here and turn them into something that you can consume and understand, or summarize the notes from both documents, and you can do whatever you want with this. This is very powerful because if you are a student, you want to learn a complex topic, it's going to make it very easy for you to understand. Students, for instance, if you are on YouTube, you can convert lectures into notes. Just take a YouTube video, add it here, and then it's going to write the summary, and then you can write the mind map, and you can write notes. If you're a business owner, you can turn documents or research into a shareable visuals using mind maps. And also, everyday people can absorb information visually. There are many people who are they don't really like listening to audio, so you can just get whatever the podcast or video or document Bring it here, add it here, then this AI is going to write the summary for you and make it very easy for you to understand and to consume. So on Tuesday, Google announced that it's rolling out video overviews to NotebookLM. So video overviews allows users to turn dense multimedia such as raw notes, PDFs, and images into a digestible visual presentation. I think this is powerful. If you have a video and it has audio, you want to get that information out of that video into something that you truly understand, this can do it for you. But it seems in certain countries, this feature is not yet variable. So I want you to try it out. Come here to notebooklm.google.com and then upload your resources, ask it, chat with it about anything, and then just try this out and see if you can use it or not. Otherwise, I think it's powerful. Tell me what you think about it. And also, if you have access to the new updates about the video overview, please also share with us in the comments what you think about it. Thank you for watching.